Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Likee app. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. And if you are using iOS device, just go to App Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So just click on the Likee app. So right after that, you need to go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner. Just click on this man shape. And in the top right corner, you can see 3 dots. Just click on the 3 dots. So here you can see the settings. Just click on the settings here. And right after that, go to accounts, which is in the top. So you can obviously see here, change password. Just click on the change password. And you need to enter your old password here, or you can use password hint here. So I'm going to write my password here. So now it says, please enter a 6-digit password, set a password hint to help you remember the password. So click on your password. So it's changed. So in this way, you can just reset your password or change your password on Likee app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button.